Right guys, so we are back with another video on my iPhone now. Yeah, this isn't going to be much of an actual video. It's just like because I got this and I've watched like a ton of videos to try and find out how to screen record with microphone. I've made like 3 videos without being able to do microphone. So yeah, and this will be quite a short video because I can't tell on this Jesus how long I've been recording for, so I have to set like a timer or something, but I don't know. And right guys, yeah, so let's go into this. And I don't exactly know how to get a face cam, but that's for another day. I don't really use them too much anyway, so oh no. Right guys, anyway, let's get yeah. My brother's been singing that the entire week and weekend, and it's been so annoying. So yeah, but yeah, guys. So just a quick video to say like this came, and yeah. Actually doing pretty good. This the gameplay on this is supposedly really good, but I don't know about recording it the same way. Well, my phone was already bad at gameplay, but it's like, oh jeez, what am I doing? Okay, let's be done. Yeah guys, so I'll see you in the next